Falston area traffic, helicopter 403 Sierra Hotel, turning left base, runway 4, Falston.
Alright, I'm going to hold this altitude, about 750.
Falston area traffic, helicopter 403 Sierra Hotel, turning final runway 4, Falston.
Alright, ride it out until you get that steep approach angle.
Alright, there we go.
That steep?
Nope. Sorry. That was ambiguous. Let me get over a little bit. That looks steep there.
Yep, there you go.
Lowering collective, slowing down, lowering collective, slowing down.
Nice, this is going to work out really nice.
Adding a little power, adding a little power.
Nice. That's a steep approach.
Adding a little power.
That's going to kind of work its way up under your feet.
All right. Adding power.